Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, to those of you that are yet to subscribe, guys, do well to click on the subscribe button, like, share, make your comments. And also, if you are yet to follow us on our Telegram channel, you'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So, go to the comment section and you follow us. Now, let's see what we'll be expecting on AUD USD. So, when you look at the trend, right, we would want to know the trend first. We clearly can see that the trend is literally on an uptrend move. It has literally been pushing up for a very long time, right? So I think this movement from here started around April, then we got to the month of May, June, and we are currently in the month of July. So market is still pushing up. So our target, our long-term target is this level here, this resistance. So have that in mind that our long-term bias, I will still continue to remind you, is that our long-term bias is 0.68617. That is, so from year to year they will be going to about more than 100 pips. So if you are a swing trader or a long-term trader, then you should be expecting the market to push up. So still bias is what you'll be expecting on AUD USD. So this year, let's start from here. This is the movement here, impulse move. Then we had a correction, of course. There's going to be a pullback. What do you expect next? Another impulse move is going to be made, which means that impulse move needs to take out this previous highs. So this was the previous higher highs. Market gave us a pullback. Now we should be expecting a new higher highs. This new higher highs should take out this previous highs here. So another movement upward is what we should be expecting on AUDUSD. So we are still on a bullish move on AUDUSD. Do not forget to follow us on our Telegram. You'll find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.